I'm Ellen Neelands. I'm an amateur mycologist and a past president of the Boston Mushroom Club, which is the oldest extant mushroom club in the country. When I was a kid, I loved being in the woods. It was just fun, and I thought I knew the woods deeply. I knew the rocks and the trees and the plants and the flowers, but I didn't realize until I was an adult that the fungi had been invisible, and it took a knowledgeable friend to introduce me to mushrooms. They are fascinating. They're good science, they are good art, they are wonderful photographic subjects, they are fun to draw. It's fun to draw on some mushrooms. I think they're a huge part of understanding the climate and how it's changing, or how microclimates are truly different from each other. When it's dry, as it is now, you find things growing on wood. And so I have in my basket sticks with little critters growing on them, and they're tiny. These two are both examples of mushrooms I see here in dry years, but even then they tend to be a little bit larger than this. These are adorable little specimens. If there's somebody out there who is interested in mushrooms and wants to get involved, my recommendation is that you find somebody knowledgeable and that you then avoid leading with the question, is it edible? Ask sensible questions, and it's best not to focus on eating for a long, long time anyway. A really important piece these days is taking good pictures, and you want to take pictures of the top and the underside, especially at the beginning, because you'll find some really important differences in the undersides. Another thought is to get the whole mushroom. You aren't going to worry about eating them at first. There it is. It's hiding. This is the base of a lovely mushroom, which I suspect somebody picked. I hope they're not going to eat it because it's poisonous. But they won't be able to identify it because it's an amanita. And amanitas, some of the amanitas are very toxic. Some are way less so. But all of the pieces underground and the little rings and things at the base are really an important part of identifying it. So I actually might be able to identify this mushroom, which was probably had a stem and a lovely cap like that, just from the base. We'll see.